Today, I'm going to talk about VLOOKUP function in Excel. Let's get started. I have created a table as an example to demonstrate how VLOOKUP function works. By using VLOOKUP, we can know the price and country of the fruit when we enter the name of the fruit. The lookup value is the item we want to find from the table. In this case, I want to know the price and country of apple. The table array is the table that stores the data to be retrieved. The column index is the column we wish to refer, which is price column from the table. In my opinion, approximate match is not useful and should be avoided. Hence, we will always enter false. We can copy the formula and change the column index to 3 for country reference. I have created another table in a new sheet to demonstrate cross-sheet VLOOKUP. The formula is same as normal VLOOKUP. Only the table array is referred to sheet 2. That's all for this VLOOKUP basic tutorial. Thank you.